Hello, my name is Enoch. I'm with Reanimator Threadworks, and today I'm going to show you how I added pockets onto my vest to make it more useful and durable for the work that I'm doing. Alright, first things first, I found this vest on the side of the road, and these pockets, I'm not really too keen on them. There's a little delicate zipper action going on, and I really want something a bit more durable to protect this fabric. On the inside of the vest is this really cool pocket that I don't want to lose the functionality of when I'm sewing on this external pocket. So I'm going to keep that in mind. I'm using some canvas that I cut away from an army surplus bag. I'm going to lay that fabric right on top of that material, kind of get an eyeball for placement. I'm then going to take some chalk and loosely draw a template so I can follow it as I'm cutting. It's going to be a pretty basic assembly. I'm just going to be folding the edges underneath and sewing. First things first, with this pocket, I'm going to be using a thin piece of webbing to reinforce. I'm going to be reinforcing. I'm going to be reinforcing my hand's entry point with a thin piece of ribbon. That ribbon is only going to be sewn on that curve. I'm then going to make sure my placement is nice and correct. I highly recommend using pins. This is your first time doing a pocket. I'm going to reinforce the beginning, the top, bottom, side, and end stitch for durability. Tucking the fabric pieces underneath and sewing. I like reinforcing all my corners, especially considering that I really abuse my stuff. Tucking the ends of the material under and sewing right through. Pretty self-explanatory at this point. This is the finished result. Everything all nice and reinforced. Nice and straight along that zipper line. And that's it. Now you can sew your own pockets on stuff. Same concept applies if you're hand sewing or machine sewing, and the only limit is your imagination to what size, shape, pocket you want to make. Take care.